Welcome to Donchian Channel Forex Trading. Hi, this is Michael. We've changed the format of the daily review a bit. In Section 1, we'll discuss today's results. In Section 2, we'll present some of the background for our analysis. Before we get started, please take a moment to review our disclaimer. Please also remember that we don't recommend to buy or sell any financial instruments. Today is Thursday, August 7th, 2014. It's now 2:50 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The U.S. equity markets were all down about 0.5%. This is closing well off of their lows for the day. The S&P closed down. Price remains near the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel, though it still remains in the channel. The S&P is still bullish. Support is at 1891, as seen by the green oval. Resistance is at 1992. The NASDAQ closed down. Price remains at the bottom of this medium-term uptrend channel. It's pierced the bottom 3 times now and looks like it wants to bust through lower. Support is at 37.37. The US dollar closed up at its recent high of 21.75. Resistance is at 21.96 and support is at 21.24, seen by the green oval. There seems to be a correlation between the US dollar and the equity markets. As the US dollar gets stronger, the equity markets are going down. Here's the ADX analysis chart for Thursday, August 7th. Please compare this with the results of your analysis. From the ADX analysis and our strength calculator, we have the following currency strengths. There are 2 strong currencies and 1 weak currency. The qualified pairs are the New Zealand dollar yen and the New Zealand US dollar. And here's our trade summary chart for August. For open trades, there are presently no open trades. As for new orders, no new orders were placed today, and the reason why will be discussed as we review the price charts. Today there are 2 qualified pairs. Let's look at the price charts. Here's the New Zealand dollar yen. Price had been moving in a sideways channel. We would be looking for a break of the 55-day Donchian channel before getting into this trade. Presently, we would be looking at a bearish trade. Our second qualified pair is the New Zealand US dollar. This pair has also been moving in a sideways channel, and we would be looking for a break of the 55-day Donchian channel to get in. It would be a bearish trade. Let's now look at the price charts for some of the more popular Forex pairs to trade. The first is the Aussie US dollar. This has been in a sideways channel. Next is the Euro Aussie dollar. This has been in a long-term downtrend channel. Here's the Euro US dollar. This has been in a medium-term downtrend channel. We're now looking at the pound yen. Price continues in its sideways channel. And here's the pound US dollar. Price has broken through the bottom of this long-term uptrend channel. And the last pair we'll look at is the US dollar yen. Though price broke out of the top of this long-term downtrend channel, it appears it wants to move back inside. Thank you for watching my daily Forex Trend review. If you'd like further details about our analysis in Section 1, please continue listening to Section 2, which follows. For more detail on the trading strategy, please go to DonchianTrader.com. There you can request a free trading guide. My podcasts are on iTunes. Recently posted is Treat Your Trading Like a Business, Trading Psychology. Please check them out and subscribe. The iTunes link is listed at the bottom of this page. Please continue listening for Section 2. In Section 2, we'll go into a little bit more detail behind our analysis. We'll be talking about 1, the time of day to do the daily review, 2, review of the two indexes. 3. Background on the ADX indicator. 4. Determining the strength of the 8 currencies. And 5. Selecting the potential pairs to trade. The Forex trading week begins at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday and ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday. So during the week, the Forex trading day ends at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. We wait until after 5 p.m. to do our daily review. This is because the daily bar has closed on the price chart and the indicators are all up to date. The first things we'll look at in the daily review are two indexes. The first is on the S&P 500. We'll use the E-mini S&P 500 index futures. Here's the price chart. The S&P 500 is usually a good indicator of where all of the other markets are going. The second index we'll monitor is for the strength of the US dollar. We use the PowerShares US dollar index to do this. This is important because the dollar's strength can give us an indication of which direction the US dollar Forex pairs will move. The first step every day in reviewing the Forex market is to analyze the ADX indicator for each of the 28 Forex pairs that we monitor. The ADX indicator can be red or green. If the ADX is red, it means there isn't a trend, so we'll put a 0. If the ADX is green and the price is increasing, we'll put a +1. If the ADX is green and the price is decreasing, we'll put a -1. What we do is we take the results from the ADX analysis and we plug it into our strength analyzer. This strength analyzer will give us the strength for each of the 8 currencies. From the strength analyzer, we put the results in this table. Today on Sunday, we had 1 strong currency and 1 weak currency. We're only going to use strong currencies between +3 and +7 and weak currencies between -3 and -7. Our objective is to match the strongest currencies with the weakest currencies so that we can find the highest probability Forex pairs to trade. Today we had 1 potential pair to trade, and this is the Aussie US dollar. And this would be going long or buying the Forex pair. I hope this helps you to get a better understanding of what we were doing in section 1.